Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to find a leak on your AC system. I am driving my Range Rover Evoque 2015 right now, and it's an issue that's been going on for a while. I fill up the AC, refill it, and then after a few months, or not even a few months, after a few weeks, it's starting to get blow warm air again. So I'm gonna walk you through what I'm gonna do to find the leak on the system, and then replace whatever we need to change to make it work again and not have it leaking any more AC. Alright guys, so I just went to the AutoZone and I picked up a couple of these. So this one is 396 grams, which should be enough to fill up the whole AC system. This one has a leak sealer, and so it should help. And also I got this total leak stop with UV dye, so in case I cannot find the leak with the method I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray soapy water on the lines on where the connections go. Right now, if I cannot find the leak right now, then this should help me find it or stop the leak, because supposedly it helps stop the leak. So let's give it a try. First thing what you're gonna do is make sure your AC is running. So make sure it's on high, like that, AC max. And now with the AC running max, we're gonna go and go to the low port and start filling up our AC on the car. Alright guys, so I got my AC Pro Ultra Synthetic AC Recharge Kit. We're just gonna turn this on. Let's see how this thing, maybe press it. Maybe we have to put it in. So we have to find the low port. On my car it's gonna be this one, I believe, or actually it's gonna be this one, the low side. Yeah, it's gonna be this one. It should be the one with the thicker pipe. So this pipe is thick, so it's like that's the low. Actually, we have to remove this. Let's see, we have to remove this plastic thing. Okay, so yeah, you have to remove this tab that comes with when you buy this. It's a plastic tab. You remove it and then it will turn on. So then you just shake this and make sure that this is very tight. Okay, let's see. Yeah, make sure it's firm. We're gonna go like this. So it has to be between 25 and 50 psi, and then it's gonna be full. So I'm gonna fill it up to 25. See how it turned on the compressor now, because if there's no AC, then the compressor won't run. So I just heard it click in and now it's running. So we're gonna fill it up till 25, and then when I hit 25, I'm gonna add this. So 8 psi, okay. Alright, so 26, 25, maybe a little bit more. So it's gonna be 27. Now I'm gonna feel the AC and make sure it's cold. Let's see. I can feel that it's colder. I have to fill it up more. So it's on the low side, so maybe it's gonna fill it up to 30. Make sure you shake the bottle. Okay, so once we hit 30 psi, I'm gonna add this one. Let's see. So this has its own charging tool, so we can just use this tool and fill it up right away. Hopefully it fixes the issue with the leak. Let's see what we can find here. See guys, now you're gonna add this end here. Okay, so once you have this on, you can go ahead and add it on your system. And leave this on the side, and then we're gonna plug that in. Okay, and I'm gonna add. There we go. See, so it's switch one vehicle, so we do this for one vehicle. We're gonna install all of it. Okay. Hopefully I don't have any more issues with my AC after this. So if there's any leaks in one of the seals, I could use some soap with water with soap, and spray on like where each connection goes. Like for example, that would be a common issue right there, where I could have some AC leaking, or even like down there by the radiator, or even inside the car. If it's inside the car, then it would be really hard, because we have to deassemble the whole dash to get access to that, which I don't really want to do that, and I'm sure you guys don't want to do that either. So that's why we're gonna try with this. Oh, what a mess. Now, unplug it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, what a mess. Like, it's pretty messy. Okay. We're at 32. Let's see if we can go more. Just gonna fill it up all the way. Let's see if it gets to 45. No, it's gonna be. Seems like it's empty. Yeah, that's going to be the max, 40 psi, which is in between the range, between 25 and 50. So we're going to leave it at that. Close that. Let's check if it's cold. Okay, much better. Now I just have to run the car until the AC starts flowing through the system, and then we should be good. It's getting cooler by the minute. use you as a guide, so you don't have to worry about filling up your AC, and you can just do it yourself, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.